How many times, how many people experience when the seasonal change? You have conditions, right? That's a relationship. How many times your feelings change, your body have changed? That's relationships, right? So all of these relationships can be blueprints, can be penetrated down in this 5-element framework. The 5-element framework become one of the simple blueprint, allow you to see yourself. Through this blueprint, you can see yourself, the relationship organ with organ, body parts with body parts, the body parts with the minds, and the body parts with the seasons. All of this is in this blueprint. Now, what do we need to do? This blueprint, that's just information. But how to use this information wisely, that's the purpose. How do we create the better relationships if we want to heal the illness and the disease? But if we want to go beyond healing, if you want to go beyond healing, then what do we need to do? So we are not just use a 5-element framework to heal ourselves. We use the 5-element framework as the vehicle. For example, when the spring comes, it's the season. When the seasons come, that's nature's time. Right? That's nature's time. In this nature's time and the season of the spring contained information, contained consciousness of the wood element. That's right. The wood element contained in the season of the spring. So how can we get on? We get on this vehicle. Instead to use this vehicle. When you get on the vehicle, just like you get on the train, you don't have to do anything, just enjoy the view. So you put your body into the season of the spring. Let the spring energy, let the spring consciousness take you, nurture you, heal you. What do you need to do? All you need to do is drop your ego. Let go your mind. Allow nature's chi take you. Can you do that? If you can do that, then you are using 5-element framework as the vehicle instead use 5 elements as the technique. But that's still not enough, right? So we want to know what is our positions, what is our responsibilities, what is our relationship with the nature, with the universe. Then we can use this 5-element consciousness level now, because we want to go beyond the materialized. We want to go beyond this physical to find the relationship, to find the connection.